I started this business 10 years ago on my mom's living room floor. Today, I'm taking you behind the scenes of a very real day in the life of a hair accessories business owner. I'm on a mission to turn this business into a household name brand and turn it into my full-time income. So come along with me on this journey. This year, I am in my take things seriously, it's now or never type era. And I started off the year doing something a little bit different. So this year, I put together a real plan. Like I got real clear on my goals for the year and for my business. And I did that by going onto ChatGPT. I put all of my ideas in there and told it to give me a plan, like a full plan and schedule of what I should be doing every single day, every week to get to the goals that I had in mind. And that has been working for me so well. So now I treat my business more like a full-time job or as if I was like studying for something at university, because when you're your own business owner, I feel like you kind of slack. So having like a set plan and actually doing it and executing on it is really down to you. I just kind of have the mindset now that if I was in university, if I had this as like a job that I had to go to, I would have to do the tasks that they tell me to do. I would have no choice but to do it, or I will fail, or I will not get paid. So why would I not treat my own business that way? This year, that has been a huge change for me. I do have set tasks every single day, but I have to kind of like juggle it out with endometriosis, chronic fatigue. Some days can be altered to how I'm feeling that day. But today's a Monday, so we're going to do KPIs today. I also have a restock, so I have to set that up. I have to pack some orders and I'm going to drop them off to the post office. I usually get them collected, but today I just thought I would drop them off to the post office because I don't have that many to pack and send, so I might as well just drop them off. I also need to film a quick reel to post to kind of share that our new scrunchies have been restocked. Before we get started, I need to sort out this hair. It needs washing, so we're gonna go ahead, wash this hair, style it, and then get straight into the day. Disclaimer, this video may be put into parts, so you may see me in a different hairstyle or a different outfit, and that's probably because I was just too tired to film out the whole video in one. If I'm in a different outfit, mind your business. But yeah, let's get straight into the day. This I got from Amazon and I cannot live without it. It's like a daily to-do list. So I used to just write my own daily to-do list, but this one is like a daily plan and I love it. So you can really plan out, and it starts at 5:30 a.m. so I can plan out, okay, I'm gonna pray, gym, work, after work, and then it goes all the way till 10:30 p.m. so I'm in bed by then. So I write out my whole day. Then it gives you top 3 personal priorities and then your top 3 work priorities, and then your work to-do list and your personal to-do list, which I love because there's certain things that I need to keep up with on my personal life and then with work. So this is, I think it's about like £6 or something. Really love that. I will link it down below for you guys because that's been really helping me keep productive and on it. So one of the blessings that I've been having with Oso Curly lately is just these collabs coming out of nowhere with huge hair brands. So we just had a collab come in from the Giovanni. If you are OG Curly, you will know that this leave-in was like the most recommended curly hair leave-in from all of the American girlies. And we never used to get access to it here. I'd have to go to like unique retailers and stuff to get hold of it, but they actually reached out to us. They wanted to put together some mailers, I think to give to influencers and stuff. So what they did is they bought some of our satin line beanies wholesale to put into the mailers with a bunch of Giovanni products, which are the ones I washed my hair with today. I'm just super proud, and this is just another really great revenue stream for us as well because it's wholesale, but at the same time it is reaching out to our target audience with, brand recognition because it makes our brand look good if a big brand like Giovanni or Shea Moisture or Vatica, which we've had in the past lately, I am very thankful for. These are our new scrunch, well, they're not new, but it's the restock. So we're gonna have the restock of the black and the chocolate brown satin scrunchies in the slim size. If you have curly hair and you are still using a normal hairband, please stop. Like, these are much safer. They will not snap. I've never had one of these snap in my hair. They are so much softer and they do prevent as much breakage. Now I'm going to restock them on the website, and then I'm also going to create some content with them. As you can see, the bonnet is on, of course, from Oh So Curly, and it's time to wind down. I pretty much got everything I needed to do done today, so I'm happy. If you made it this far, make sure you comment down below the clapping hands, because you are a real one. So after work, what I typically do is just chill, straight up chill, relax, watch some YouTube videos, eat my dinner, get ready for bed, and do it all again tomorrow. So I hope you found this video interesting. I will definitely take you guys along with me on any working outside of the house days, because I do leave the house sometimes. So I'll take you guys along with me on one of those working days, and also if I have an event or anything coming up, because I will be exclusive. If you made it this far, you're a real one, so I can tell you. But I will be going to New York in July, August. So I'm super excited about that, and I will be vlogging the journey. So stay around, make sure you click the subscribe button because we have a lot to come. Thanks for making it to the end, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.